So hi everybody, today we are going to take a test drive of the car. कौन सी गाड़ी मानूं? So hey guys, hi everybody. This is Ekta here, and today I'm going to take a test drive of a very interesting car. It's a made in India car. It's an Indian brand. So we are actually planning to buy a new car. So we thought of, we have actually shortlisted few of the cars. We are going within the 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs budget, and going to test drive one of those shortlisted cars. So I'm going down. Taking the risk in corona, but yeah, stay tuned. Let's go and see कि कैसी कार मिलती है. चले चले.
ये बंदा मेरा ट्रू वैल्यू वाला है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
हाँ सर.
Considering our requirements, we were indifferent towards the sedan, SUV, crossover, etc. We only wanted the car which met our requirement, and somehow we were not too keen on trying Wagon-R, Maruti Swift Desire as such. We thought of trying something new, and the first car that we tried is Maruti Baleno. Maruti Baleno is quite a popular selling car, but we found it to be okay. The setting is much smaller in as compared to the overall looks, and good specs comes only in the higher versions which cost somewhere nearly around rupees 10 lakhs, and that open opportunity for trying many other cars in that range. Though I like the overall build of this car, but I'm not sure whether we'll be going for this car or not. Let's try some more cars. Honda City had always been my favorite car, and our previous car was a Honda Civic. So trying a Honda car was but natural, and we decided to try Honda Amaze. We went on a test drive to see this car, and look what we found during the test drive. The Kutch Festival hoarding. Do check my Kutch videos on the same. Link is in the description.
होंडा थी और मेरे को भी वही प्रॉब्लम होती. सिविक थी मेरे पास, लेकिन उसमें आवाज़ बाहर से ऐसी होती थी. तो आप लोग क्या, क्योंकि मैंने और
साइज ज्यादा बड़ी कर दिया ना, इसलिए ऐसा लुक इसका भी है, क्योंकि अंदर स्पेस ज्यादा कर दिया. क्योंकि ये सेगमेंट की कार में अमेज में सबसे ज्यादा स्पेस है. ये टॉप मॉडल में टच स्क्रीन म्यूजिक सिस्टम एंड ऑटो क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल.
ये कितना, ये टॉप मॉडल कौन सा है? ये VX. ओके. इसमें कौन कौन से? LX, VX,
ES, V एंड VX 4 मॉडल आते हैं.
ओके.
इसके अंदर E मॉडल बेसिक मॉडल है, SV मिडल है, VX टॉप मॉडल है.
Coming to the car, I liked the external design, but Mayank found the design quite disappointing. The car made quite some noise and was jerky throughout the test drive, even on the highway. The sales representative blamed it on the unruly trials by other test drivers, but the buck doesn't stop there. So we have done test drive of 2 cars today, and we are going back to the home. It was fun. And second one, we are not sure.
First one.
Even now, first one also we are not too sure. So, unpacking. The good old Tata and Tata Motors deserves a try given the wonderful reviews Tata Nexon got for its safety quotient. Tata Nexon seemed to be quite a value for money car and has a very sporty appeal. गाड़ी का ground clearance भी बहुत अच्छा था और back seat experience भी decent था. I love the fact that it has sunroof at this range. I probably will buy this car solely for safety quotient and sunroof. I love sunroof. टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्स या नेगेटिव पॉइंट, जो कलर ऑप्शंस हैं और उसमें जो कंट्रास्टिंग स्ट्रिप बनाई हुई है, दे आर काइंड ऑफ अ डील ब्रेकर एंड यू ऑल्सो फील दैट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉस्ट कटिंग इज डन. अनदर थिंग was that getting a test drive for this car was quite a task and we had to pull some strings to get a car for the test drive. So we were unsure कि आफ्टर सेल सर्विस कैसी होगी. However, जो टेस्ट ड्राइव का स्टाफ था वो सबसे ज़्यादा कॉर्डियल था एंड इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. दे ऑल्सो हैड अ वेरी गुड नॉलेज एंड उन्होंने सारे फीचर्स बहुत अच्छे से समझाए. If you are looking for a good car in this range with sunroof, you can definitely go for it. The color blue doesn't look as good in real as it was in pictures, but any which ways जो contrasting stripe है ये white वाली, इससे थोड़ा सा look बहुत different हो जाता है और वो हमें actually पसंद नहीं आया. I was okay with it because I thought ये हम white में लेंगे तो grey strip आएगी चलेगा. This strip I think is there for the safety reasons. In totality I like this car. मैंने Instagram story में डाला था तो बहुत लोगों ने positive response दिए थे. आपका क्या feedback है मुझे comments में बताइएगा. Hyundai Verna is an absolutely beautiful car with a beautiful aesthetics and feel of luxury. One of my another favorite car. You can find all the details of this car on the web, so I will quickly share our verdict. The ground clearance was very low and given the bad roads of Ahmedabad, especially in rain, when all the roads are submerged in water, it was a deal breaker. I have taken a ride in this car for numerous times and always felt the backseat is quite cramped as compared to the front seat, so that was another deal breaker for us. Anyways, the maintenance for Honda and Hyundai cars are quite high as compared to Tata and Maruti, so we are in two minds and thought of trying Hyundai Venue, one of the high selling cars this year, especially in Ahmedabad. The trial happened in the evening, so please adjust with the lighting. We heard it is one of the highest selling cars, so we thought of trying it. However, it has very limited options in automatic and better options are available at higher price points. Of course, Indian market is still more on manual cars. Automatic is picking up and electric cars are out of question unless the charging stations are well developed and widely available. Besides, the high cost of automatic car is quite a reason that's why people go for the manual cars. We wanted an automatic car so that we can self-drive if required. Coming back to the car, it has good features indeed, but we do not have much to comment as the car looks quite big from the outside, but the sitting space is quite cramped and compromised to give good look to the car, especially to the front body. It does give a semblance of a tall boy design, but looks are very deceptive. It is not as tall as it looks, so we have decided to drop this car out. Do you own this car or tried this car? आपका क्या व्यू है? Do let us know in the comment box below.
मैडम क्या क्या स्पेसिफिकेशंस हैं इसमें जो कैन यू एक्सप्लेन कौन-कौन से
प्लस DCT ना सर?
नहीं, लेकिन ये जो है आपका शिफ्ट होता है
अप डाउन होगा सर. हाँ
नहीं, बट इन एस वर्जन
हाँ होगा. एस वर्जन में भी अप डाउन है.
नहीं टेलीस्कोपिक है
नहीं टेलीस्कोपिक नहीं है, ओनली
ये अच्छी थी. पेट्रोल में अच्छी,
पेट्रोल में ही अच्छी है ना सर. एवरेज मिलेगी, पिकअप मिलेगी आपको.
इसका पिकअप बहुत खराब है ना.
So the final car we tried is Maruti S-Cross. It has a sleek design and a reasonable good ground clearance of up to 180/210. It may not be as much of SUV but sufficiently high. It is a spacious car with a comfortable back seating. The car looks quite appealing from the outside. I feel it is a BMW copy, but menu kyun karna? We like the design. The car seat is though made of leather, but they confirm they can change it to non-leather if we decide to buy. They explained us about other accessories, and I found some of the cost quite funny, especially the light color cost. For changing the light from yellow to white, it costs you almost another lakh. Buying car in India is tough, leave alone the maintenance and fuel cost. Hope the prices gets optimized soon in face of COVID. Given that it's a Maruti car, we really hope the maintenance would be lower than the other cars, and we kind of like the car and wonder why is it such a low selling car. Do you know why? Do let us know in the comment box below. So those were the different popular cars we tried in our preferred criteria and our verdict of the same. So whether it is Nexon, Baleno, S-Cross or Verna or maybe any other car, we will let you know soon that what did we finally buy. Do stay tuned and follow me on Instagram as lot happens on Instagram stories. Do share your suggestions in the description box below and see you soon. Channel subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. Thank you for watching. Bye.